Apple Watch returns after patent ban. It's been an exciting holiday season for Apple Watches. The watch's blood oxygen level sensor, introduced in the 6th generation Apple Watch in 2020, is the basis for a patent conflict between Apple and Masimo, a medical technology company. Masimo has its own smartwatch called the Masimo W1. Masimo alleges that Apple's sensor infringed 2 Masimo patents. As Reuters reported, the ITC upheld a federal court ruling in January 2023 that Apple violated the Masimo patents for light-based technology for sensing blood oxygen levels. The ITC order prohibited Apple from importing the watches into the US and selling them to resellers. Since patent law is national, the order only applied to imports into the US. The case has no impact on those who already own Apple Watches. The ITC case was then referred to the White House for a 60-day review. As of Christmas Eve, it looked like if President Biden didn't veto the ITC decision, Apple would be prohibited from selling its latest watch models, the Series 9 and Ultra 2. Apple stopped selling the watches at issue on its website as of December 21st and stopped sales in its retail stores on December 24th. Sales continued at other retailers such as Best Buy, Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Also, consumers could still buy models of Apple Watches that didn't include the challenge sensor technology such as the SE watch model. The ITC order became final on December 26th when U.S. Trade Representative Katherine Tai decided not to reverse the ITC decision. But on December 27th, a federal appeals court allowed Apple to continue selling the watches. The court granted Apple's motion for an interim stay of the ITC order. As Bloomberg reported, Apple has been trying to make changes in the watch's algorithms to avoid infringing the Masimo patents. The U.S. government is expected to decide by January 12th whether Apple's changes are enough to avoid infringement. Apple has stated that it expects the Federal Circuit to hear a motion by January 15th on whether to stay the ITC order until Apple's appeal can be heard. As CNET reported, a smartwatch may not be the best option for monitoring blood oxygen levels. According to Jennifer Schrack, a professor in the Department of Epidemiology at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, consumer wearables are a great supplemental way for people to stay informed about their health, but they are subject to error. It is important to remember that they are measuring blood oxygen using PPG sensors, which can be affected by things like skin tone. Need to protect your patent? Book an appointment with us at www.eonlaw.com. Eon Law, unleashing genius.